nails. So I'm gonna do is completely cover the nails using a matte top coat. It's really a great, it's not like giving all the how do you say, it's like really sway matte, so you have a completely a matte. It's not turn it back to shiny to you at all. I can see a scratches background right here. I'm gonna get that one and share on that one on the Facebook. Great. So, and then we're gonna do some neon crystals, and then we are going to do some neon diamond dust pixie. I just left it somewhere here. Diamond dust pixie here. I'm so excited. I even like want my nails, and then we have like several different shape over here. Want to do that with the nails. And in the meantime, I am going to looks really matte to me, and I'm so excited with that. And then I will get my, let's see, Honesty, because I am going to put some cute sticker, bright sticker on it, so I want a little bit like toned down background. Hi Maurice, how are you? Hi Joanne. Okay, so I have it right here. Give it a little bit shake. Usually I do. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, different. I like that. Really cool. You can do it more if you would like to, and only you need is to crystal clear, so then you can able to blend the fusioning and create the veins. I think somehow is Facebook is really bad. If anyone seeing on Facebook, okay. Instagram, it looks okay, I think. Really clear. So I have a piece of paper towel here so that I can wipe up all the excess like fusioning before I put the brush back into the bottles. It looks clear now. Yeah, okay, good. I'm excited about these nails. Like I'm almost thinking like, okay, I'm gonna do a whole theme of these nails and stickers. Cute, super fun to do it. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, to all of you who's mothers, and hope you have a great time tomorrow with your family. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll go to the beach, but also and it's really gentle. You see that how I just tap it? I didn't have to do anything much at all. Just with this, it works for us. Did you do like, you bought the crystal clear fusioning and accidentally put my black fusioning in the brush?
Oh, so I get this black crystal now? Sorry to hear that. But it should still bleed though, right? It just have like dark spot in it now. So whatever marble you do, you're gonna have like a faded black color, I guess.
So however you want your veins to be, and then you just like guide yours.
It's crystal gray now. That's what she
Oh,
said.
crystal gray.
Yeah.
Here you go with new colors. Marie's gonna create the new colors trend.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, try it out and show us what you got. You might just create a new color for us.
I really like this color though.
Hey, Sophia, son. Say hi.
Hi Sophia, happy Mother's Day to you, Em. I miss you, like we like, cause we off, but then we can't see each other. All right, so you can do more as however you would like to, but this one, because I want to get some, it's cool stickers, really simple, easy for any of you who get the treasure box or like even the stickers. Hi Enid, how are you? And now I am going, you see I'm using the part 2, and then but if you are having this on your hand, which is the gel painting black and it with precision brush, I'm so excited because let me see, we did it like quite a few times, and it's so easy if you don't have, like at the moment, have your twin tip brush on hand. That's all you need. You don't need a whole lot. Able to paint. Okay, good. Sophia, I miss you. You can do more than one colors of the fusionings. Sarah did the other yesterday. She did really beautiful with the white one. I really like that too. Yeah. With flash gear, 4 is 30 seconds, and then wait. 30 seconds, and I gonna get the just a chamfer foil. I'm not using a premium's iHo chamfer foil. The black bottle. Just drop one drop right here because I just need to draw the veins and make it the gold veins here. But you can do any different colors. I cut one pieces off. I'm so excited because we have so many. Did you put it on here already? Okay.
No, that's yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
That's the one.
Okay. My twin tip brush. Did I got it? Make sure I got everyone. Make sure his Instagram can see it. Sarah did earlier. It's really cool designs as well. I really like it. How everyone doing today? Great, so I'm gonna key it for 30 seconds. Hi Debbie, hi Maya. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey AKV. Just want to say hello to everyone. This is Premium's I Hold Chamfer Foil Gels. I just want to show you what I have in there. And Sarah, I have so much fun with all this cute sticker. Like some of you don't have the chamfer foil when you get the treasure box. And if you would like to get like Condensed Pixie and then more stickers, it's really trendy, a 3D like a look. It's really HD look. And then you can get it also in the 20% off for the stickers and Condensed Pixie. So besides that, you're buying the box of the treasure box to get started with, you know, a present. Even like after you get back to salon, oh my god, it's come off right away even before I'm it was super work. I just like I'm talking and then all of a sudden it's just come off. Say, okay, that's it, Nancy. You give me a little bit and only grab to whatever you draw in here. So it looks super cute. That's only I need.